In the fresh war update, Iran has targeted hotels where the US, CIA, and Mossad staff were staying. And this is sending shockwaves across Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and the UAE. Welcome to Times XP. The Middle East is heating up fast. In Bahrain's capital, Manama, Iranian attack reportedly hit two hotels and a residential building, causing heavy damage. Luckily, officials say that no one was hurt, but the blast it sent shockwaves across the city, leaving the residents terrified. Now, these buildings reportedly house US military personnel, intelligence officers, and even Israeli operatives, making the strike a direct message from Tehran. In the meantime, Saudi Arabia's air defenses they were busy intercepting three ballistic missiles aimed at Prince Sultan Air Base, one of Kingdom's key military bases. Well, the attacks show that Iran is trying to strike at both the US and allied forces across the region, testing the defenses and sending clear warning. Despite these attempts, the US forces are hitting very hard. That's right. In the meantime, Admiral Brad Cooper, he is the head of the US Central Command, confirmed that Iranian missile launches have kind of dropped 90% since the start of the US-Israel campaign against Iran. And drone attacks are sharply down too. That's because American and Israeli forces are relentlessly targeting Iran's missile factories, their launchers, their drone facilities to weaken Tehran's ability to retaliate. In fact, in the past few days alone, Washington claims to have sunk more than 30 Iranian naval vessels, crippling Iran's presence in the Persian Gulf and sending a warning to Tehran. Strike against the US and pay the price here. Well, analysts say that the strategy is clear. Dismantle Iran's missile production and naval power so the US and Israel can dominate the battlefield. Well, the whole Gulf region is now on edge, with every hotel, every airbase, every naval route a potential target. The message from the US-Israel coalition, it is loud, it is clear. Iran's attacks may cause the damage, but American and its allies, they will respond swiftly and decisively. This conflict is definitely far from over, and each day brings new risks for Tehran or maybe the US as they try to challenge the superpowers in its backyard.